The rise in colorectal cancer in UAE young population, 9 years study. Colorectal cancer, which affects the colon or rectum, is one of the most common and deadly cancers worldwide. It ranks as the third most common cancer in men and the second in women. In 2012, over 1.36 million new cases were reported globally, leading to nearly 694,000 deaths. In the UAE, colorectal cancer has become the second deadliest cancer, especially concerning because more cases are being found in people under 50. According to the Health Authority of Abu Dhabi, hard colon cancer was the second most common cancer in men and the third in women. It was also a leading cause of cancer deaths. The average age for colorectal cancer in the UAE is around 51, with men being more affected, 59%, than women, 41%. In response, Abu Dhabi launched a screening program in 2013 to raise awareness and promote early detection. The program encourages healthy lifestyle changes and regular screening, such as colonoscopy or fecal tests, for people between the ages of 40 and 75. The awareness campaign aligns with global efforts every March, which is Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month. Our study at a single center, ACDS, looked at data from 2012 to 2021, where 11,770 colonoscopies were performed. Out of these, 2,717 people, 23%, had colon polyps, and 67 people, 0.66%, were found to have colorectal cancer. Alarming findings included that 24% of these cancers were in people under 50, and 13% were in those under 40. This shows that colorectal cancer is affecting younger people more often, suggesting that screening might need to start at a younger age. More research and data from other centers in the UAE are needed to decide the best age to begin screening and to improve early detection and prevention strategies. Colorectal cancer, affecting the colon or rectum, is one of the most common and deadly cancers worldwide. It is the third most common cancer in men and the second in women. In 2012, there were 1.36 million cases globally, with nearly 694,000 deaths. In the UAE, colorectal cancer became the second deadliest cancer by 2017, and alarmingly, the number of younger people diagnosed under the age of 50 has been increasing. To combat this, the Health Authority of Abu Dhabi, now known as the Department of Health, DO, introduced a colon cancer screening program in 2013. The program promotes early detection through yearly stool tests or colonoscopies every 10 years for people aged 40 to 75. Early screening is crucial because 90% of colorectal cancers can be successfully treated if detected early. Unfortunately, 63% of cases in Abu Dhabi are still diagnosed at a late stage. Risk factors for colorectal cancer include age, family history, inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, and lifestyle habits such as obesity, smoking, low physical activity, and poor diet. Regular screening can detect and remove polyps before they become cancerous. At the Advanced Center for Daycare Surgery, ACDS, 11,770 colonoscopies were performed between 2013 and 2021. This led to the detection of 2,717 colon polyps, 23%, and 67 cases of colorectal cancer, 0.56%. Notably, 24% of cancer cases were in people under 50, and 13% were under 40. These findings highlight the importance of early screening and the need to consider lowering the screening age. Increasing public awareness and access to screening programs can save lives through early diagnosis and prevention. Our review of 11,770 colonoscopies found colon polyps in 23% of patients and 67 cases of cancer, with an average cancer age of 54. Worryingly, 24% were under age 50 and 13% under 40. These findings suggest colorectal cancer is affecting younger people, and more multi-center studies are needed to understand its impact in Abu Dhabi. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.